The Ector County Commissioners Court held a special meeting today to discuss the future of the declaration of a local disaster. Jason Freund has more of that from Odessa.
Well, today's meeting between the Ector County Commissioners Court was short but sweet, as they voted to extend the declaration of local security to secure the border by a vote of 3-1 today. The decision was voted on 1 week after the initial disaster declaration was announced and extends the declaration by 7 days. The declaration will help law enforcement receive extra funding for Operation Lone Star, which was launched by Governor Greg Abbott last year to combat criminal activity near the border. Ector County Judge Debbie Hayes said that an extension was needed to give the sheriff more time to provide sufficient data to get more financial aid.
The purpose is there is a program called Operation Lone Star, in which allows the sheriff to receive additional funding from the state due to the border crisis. And so we want to make sure that we allow him every opportunity to receive those funds.
Armando Rodriguez, Precinct 4's county commissioner, was the lone vote against the extension, believing it is done for political reasons.
The thing is that they've been working out on this project. They wanted to do the declaration disaster here in Ector County for at least a month now. By this time, the last time we had the Commissioners Court, they should already had a plan. They already should have brought us to our attention what they needed, what the sheriff needed, and everything else. And they didn't. And still they haven't.
Rodriguez expressed disappointment that neither the sheriff nor the Republican Party was in attendance, but looks forward to continuing the discussion next week.
I hope by this time, let's say within 7 days, that we will discuss this in more detail. I think they can, by that time, I hope we get more information or let it die or whatsoever. Because the thing is, I'm very disappointed that the Sheriff's Department, nobody from the Sheriff's Department or the Republican Party was here present this morning, knowing that we had it for 7 days extension. We had it for 7 days.
The commissioners will gather here again in 7 days to discuss whether to extend it more or to drop it. And they are hoping that the sheriff will meet them to discuss more data and get more information. From Odessa, Jason Freund, News West 9.